Let me show you all of the screenshot methods available on Motorola Edge 50 Neo. And to do this, first we'll need to open our settings, scroll down and look for gestures. Inside we'll be able to find 3-finger screenshot, and you can activate it like this. Now let's move on to the screenshots themselves. And we can pick up our phone. There's the power button on the right side of your phone, and then a volume down button on the right side as well. Now click on both of those buttons at the same time to capture a screenshot. The second option to take a screenshot is to take your 3 fingers and just put them onto the screen for a few seconds, and that way you'll be able to capture a screenshot as well. Now the last method is for a scrollable screenshot, or however you call it, full page screenshot. You need to do it preferably with the buttons, since it's sometimes really hard to use your 3 fingers when there's a lot of buttons on the screen. Now click on those buttons that I've mentioned previously, and then we can take a scrollable screenshot by clicking on the scroll down on the pop-up. It will begin to scroll down the entire page. You can click on stop when you're satisfied with the amount of a screenshot, and then the screenshot will be saved in your gallery. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.